This 2018 Forest River CRUSADER 26 RE is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Oklahoma City, Oklahoma, 73127 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Oklahoma City. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Forest River is 29 feet 0 inches in length and features Sleep 6, LP detector, TV, smoke detector, air conditioning, refrigerator, microwave, slide-out, and 60 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features front bedroom, mid-kitchen, outdoor kitchen, rear entertainment. The unloaded weight of this 2018 Forest River CRUSADER 26 RE is 7,282 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.